Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Echo Isab, where we deliver deen. Today's reminder is for every heart that prays, but still feels empty. You pray 5 times a day, you say Allahu Akbar, but your heart still feels far from Allah. Why? The truth is, Salah is not just movements and words. It's supposed to be a conversation with your Creator. But when our minds are distracted, when our hearts are rushing through it, we miss the connection. As Allah says, successful indeed are the believers, those who humble themselves in prayer. Quran 23:1-2. Khushu, that inner focus, is missing, and that's why we feel empty. But here's the good news. You can start small. Try understanding just one surah deeply, like Surah Al-Fatiha. Prayer is a gift, not a duty. It's not about how long you pray, but how connected you feel. So next time you say Allahu Akbar, say it like you mean it, and you'll feel your heart soften, inshallah. Jazakum Allahu khairan for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reflections.